Here's what you need to know about what is a DDoS attack. This is an exam topic in Domain 4, Network Security. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network plus exam. Let's get into it. A DDoS, distributed denial of service attack, floods a target, server, network, or service with traffic from thousands of sources simultaneously, making it unavailable to legitimate users. Unlike a DDoS attack from a single source, DDoS uses a botnet of compromised devices, making it far harder to block and trace. Key concept: Botnet-Powered Attacks. DDoS attacks use a botnet, a network of thousands of compromised devices called bots or zombies. The attacker controls the botnet from a command and control server and directs all bots to simultaneously flood the target. Key concept: Volumetric Attacks. Volumetric attacks saturate the target's bandwidth with massive amounts of traffic. UDP floods and ICMP floods are examples. The goal is to consume all available bandwidth so legitimate traffic cannot get through. Key concept: Protocol and application attacks. Protocol attacks exploit weaknesses in network protocols. SYN floods exhaust server connection tables. Application layer attacks, Layer 7, send legitimate-looking HTTP requests to exhaust server resources without needing high traffic volume. Key concept: DDoS Mitigation. DDoS mitigation uses scrubbing centers, rate limiting, black holing, and anycast routing to absorb and filter attack traffic. Cloud-based DDoS protection services like Cloudflare can absorb terabits of attack traffic before it reaches the target. Let's look at the full breakdown. Volumetric: flood bandwidth with junk traffic. UDP flood, ICMP flood amplification, measured in GBPs or TBPs. Protocol: exploit protocol weaknesses. SON flood exhausts connection tables, measured in packets per second. Application: L7. Mimic legitimate user requests. HTTP floods, slow loris, hard to distinguish from real traffic. Here's a real-world example. An online retailer runs a Black Friday sale. At midnight, a botnet of 50,000 compromised IoT devices launches a SYN flood against the web server. The server's connection table fills up in seconds, trying to complete thousands of half-open TCP connections. Legitimate shoppers get connection timeouts. The retailer activates their cloud DDoS scrubbing service, which filters the attack traffic and restores service within minutes. Quick recap before you go. 1. DDoS =distributed deuce. Uses a botnet to flood a target from thousands of sources. 2. Volumetric, saturate bandwidth, UDP flood, ICMP flood amplification. 3. Protocol, exhaust connection tables, SYN flood. 4. Application layer, mimic legitimate traffic to exhaust server resources. 5. Mitigation, scrubbing centers, rate limiting, black holing, cloud DDoS services. That's what is a DDoS attack. Covered. Exam tip: DOS =single source. DDoS =distributed botnet. SYN flood protocol attack targeting TCP handshake. HTTP flood application layer attack. The exam may describe symptoms, website down, high traffic from many IPs, and ask which attack type it is. Next up, what is a man-in-the-middle attack? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.